Hey, my name is David Guy. I'm a senior system engineer working at Silver Peak, now part of Aruba. In a previous video, you've seen the unboxing of an EdgeConnect. Now, in this video series, you will see more about the SD-WAN solution. This first video will help you to navigate through the resources to find more information about the EdgeConnect SD-WAN solution. You may want to have a look at the videos. They are located in the Silver Peak website in the Resource Center. And the video present here are about the SD-WAN solution, how to configure certain of the features, as well as customer use cases. You can also register to the Test Drive Demo Center. Once you provide your contact details, you will receive your credential to this demo lab. This is a lab, obviously, but it has lots of data that can show how extensive is the visibility of Silver Peak SD-WAN solution. You will get access to all the menus, so you will be able to play along and see what are the different information you can get out of this solution. You can have a look for the whole network. You can also focus on a specific group of sites and also see the information for a specific site. Then you have the flow table that provides details about a flow. So you will see the routing, the quality of service, and the security as well. You can also register to the Peak Performance Workshops. This is a one-day technical training. You will get a presentation about how the SD-WAN solution works, and you will get hands-on labs where you will be able to configure a SD-WAN network, play with the security, with the routing, and also with the WAN optimization as well. And you can get certified at the end. You can register to the Silver Peak training website, and you'll get access from there to lots of training materials. There are self-paced training, so you can attend to anytime you want, and there are also instructor-led trainings. There is 2 tracks here, a technical track and a sales track, so you can choose whatever track you want, and you can attend to this training for free as of July 2021. You can also have a look at the user documentation. This documentation is available in the Silver Peak website, located in the support. In the user documentation, you will find information about how to configure the features and also technical information and technical specification for the virtual environments. If you have a doubt when you configure the system, we provide an inline help button. This is this question mark. It will explain everything about what needs to be configured. That's it for today. So we've seen how to access the videos, how to access the test drive, and also how to access the Peak Performance Workshops, as well as the trainings and the user documentation. In the next video, I will show you how to deploy a new site using an EdgeConnect Ultra Small and an EdgeConnect Virtual. If you found this video interesting, please like it. And I'll see you in the next video series. Thank you, bye!